Hi there, folks. Sean Brodrick. We're at the Metals Investment Forum, November 2017. And if you follow any of my videos, you know I love history. I love history. I love the history of gold mining. And that's why speaking to this next guest is really, really cool. Vishal Gupta, he's the president and CEO of California Gold Mining. And if you think we're about to tell you a story about the historic California gold mining rush, you are right. But now they're on to even so much more. Could you please speak to the viewers and just tell them what your company is up to for now?
Sure. We are in the historic Mother Lode Gold District of California. And out of the 200-kilometer strike of the Mother Lode Gold Belt, we have a 4-kilometer strike on our property. And very recently, we've drilled out only 1 kilometer out of the 4-kilometer strike. And we've discovered 900,000 ounces, open pitable ounces, near surface, just on that 1 kilometer.
What's the grade?
The grade is 1.6 grams per ton.
Yes, that's important too, because this is a nice grade, and it's in an area where they've known to have huge discoveries. And you guys have a nice strike there, and you're about to start drilling next week, right?
That's right. The idea is to go after the low-hanging fruit and drill out a 2nd kilometer on that 4-kilometer strike on our property. We're going to begin drilling next week, and we hope to complete the drilling by the end of March. The second resource estimate should be out by June.
So by June 2018, we'll have a new resource estimate.
That's right.
And what other milestones can we expect from your company next year?
Well, in the second half of 2018, we will be looking to expand the resource further by drilling a 3rd kilometer out.
Okay.
And so we have so many targets, obviously, near surface that we want to continue to expand our resources. We have already de-risked the project a little bit by doing some preliminary economic assessment level metallurgical test work. The metallurgy came back quite positive, and now we're in this resource building phase.
Could you speak to the infrastructure in the area?
Absolutely, yeah. So being in California is actually a great thing from an infrastructural perspective. We've got a highway that goes right through the property. We've got plenty of water on the property as well. We've got an electric substation on the property as well with lots of excess capacity on it. We're not near any major population centers, but we're only 14 miles down the road from the largest town of Mariposa in the county of Mariposa. And that's where we source all our local labor, our supplies, our contract workers. So it's from an infrastructure perspective, it's ideally located.
Excellent. Let's talk about the share structure for a little bit too, please.
Sure. We've got 40 million shares outstanding. Stock price right now is at 50 cents, so that gives us a market cap of 20 million. The capital structure is very tightly held by 8 to 9 families that own collectively 85 to 90% of the stock. Our total float, we estimate, is in the 2 million share range. So it's a very, very high torque to positive news.
Oh, good. That's pretty much all the questions that I want to ask you. Is there anything else you'd like to add?
Well, we are in a very exciting phase. We've de-risked the project quite significantly over the last 4 years since we've owned it. And now we're in a situation where we're going to continuously add some critical mass to our total resources on the property. And over the next 6 to 12 months, we're going to be coming out with a lot of positive news flow. So I encourage everyone to follow our story.
Okay, great. Thanks, Vishal. All right, you folks, this is an exciting story. California Gold Rush. God, I love the stories out of there. Here we have what's maybe the start of a new one. Going to be very interesting. Stay tuned on that. Watch this company. It'll be great. This is Sean Brodrick at the Metals Investor Forum, November 2017. Stay tuned for more.